Hello YouTubers, so today I would like to show you how to do an oil change in 2013 Buick Verano. I used to own a 2013 Dodge Journey RT. To do oil change in that car is pretty easy because the oil filter is easy to access, but in this car, so as you can see, the oil filter is there's this line between like a stall here and can move it, so it's not easy to access the oil filter. So you probably need to buy a superficie, like a not you can't move because there's an angle here. Like it's not a straight like straight down over there. So so you need probably purchase like a adapter, socket adapter. Here's what I got. Like you need a like this 3/8 adapter, wobbler adapter, so it can move like a certain angles, so it's more successful get there down there. And I bought this brand like particular for GM Ecotech socket. So you put this socket underneath there, and so then you put a adapter in here, so it you see it's more easy to access down there. Once you remove the oil filter, and because I heard online like it's not easy to remove drawer plug because all the fenders, and so I use this called oil extractor, and you put this pump above this, and you just push the pump down, and then you can attach this thing, put in the oil stick here, and it takes longer than just remove the drawer plug, but it worked. I know it's not gonna remove the like almost the oil, because it's extract from the oil pan. So but most oil, like I did oil change last night. This is all I got. It's pretty dirty, but you can see I extract a lot of oil out of the used oil from the oil pan, so it worked perfectly for me. So I don't have to like drag the car up, and underneath there move the drawer plug. That's pretty much it. And the reason I shoot this video because like the main part of this job is to remove the oil filter over there. So this is the tool I use. I actually got I searched the YouTuber, and one guy showed me he did change another car, like 2013 Chevy Equinox or the Chevy SUV, like, but the same problem, like it's not easy to access down there. So they showed like use this wobbler adapter, so it can easy to you get certain angle and you can easy to remove the filter and change it. Thanks you guys, and if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I hope this video like you guys found helpful. Bye.